Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Nyero. And if you've been here, thank you so much for always supporting me. I do not take it for granted. So I'm going to be showing you how to get this sleek ponytail done. This is the tutorial you need. So make sure you watch this video till the end. I want you to look pretty too. Without no further ado, let's head to the video. Hey lovelies, I hope you guys have been okay. I have been good too. So I decided to shoot a really cute and short video, a budget friendly video for you guys. So if in any case you want to get ready and you do not know what to do, then this could be one of the hairstyles you could try, because it's very quick to achieve. And yeah, it's not stressful to get it done, as you can see. And you can see me talk on the video because I recorded a whole video talking through while doing this hairstyle. Then afterwards the audio was not working literally through all the videos I was shooting. So if you see me talk and maybe it's not going the same way as the video is, then that is the case. It's because, yeah, I was recording a talk through video as I was shooting, but then the audio got messed up and it's not working. It's all mute. Yeah, challenges. Challenges of being a content creator. But anyway, I used the Nice and Lovely gel, and I loved this gel because it's very light and it does not make your hair hard after using it. So I straightened my hair before doing any sleek hairstyle. So my hair was already straightened, and all this is going to make it easy for me to lay it down and use a little styling gel for my hair. So I do not like to use a lot of styling gel on my hair because I feel like it dries my hair after some time. So while doing this sleek ponytail looks, I like to straighten my hair first, then go in with the gel after. I feel like it makes it easier, it's faster, and you don't use a lot of gel which is going to dry your hair later on. That is basically what I did. And when I say this is the most easiest and the most affordable hairstyle I have ever done, I mean it. I actually mean it. So after getting my edges laid, I'll be tying my hair towards the back so that I can braid the ponytail I was attaching to my hair. Yeah, so that is basically everything about this video. I think I've explained most of the part. The other part I'm going to be explaining is how to attach the braid to your hair and all that. But besides that, it's as easy as you can see. It's not something difficult. I think something that would be hard for you, especially for someone who doesn't do their own hair, is the edges. But if you cannot get your edges done, just skip the part, because it's going to make it difficult for you to finish this hairstyle as quick as possible, because you are going for a budget friendly hairstyle and something you can get done in like even 20 minutes effortless. Yes. So yeah, so let's tie the hair back. Then after that, I'm going to walk you through on how to attach the braid to your own hair. So this is the braid I was using. It's called Makeba braid, the long one, and it was 50, I think it was 75 shillings. That is like in dollars, I think it's 50 cents or something. Okay, so most of the time I feel like these videos are quite visual. I do not have to explain how I'm doing it, but you can see the braid was in half, so I was tying half of the braid to my own hair, then the other half is not being tied to my hair. That is what I was doing. So after tying it all up with my hair, I'm going to take out some hair. I'm going to leave out some hair, the braid, now, the braid. Now I'm going to leave out some braid so that after braiding, I'm going to like seal the braid on top. You're going to see what I'm talking about, because I really don't know how to explain it for you guys to understand better. So this is the piece of hair I was talking about earlier. So after leaving that piece out, I'm going to braid out this ponytail because I wanted a braided ponytail. And I think the mistake I did here was use the colored rubber band, or rather hairband, to like tie the braid to my own hair because it was still showing afterwards. So I wish I used a black one, but it still looked really nice. So just braid, do a normal braid, and if you want it loose, you can do like kinda you can do like a loose braid, then afterwards you can loosen it up. So I think I did the same after, because I did not want it to be so tight. I wanted it to be a little bit loose. So after braiding it all down later on, I made it a little bit loose to give it more volume. So the got to be glue helps with keeping the hair intact so that you cannot have flyaways, those braids that keep on popping out after installing your braid or extension. So I'm going to tie it all round at the base to like make it more tight and secure, and it will definitely look beautiful. You are going to see how it's going to turn out. So nice. So this is what I was talking about earlier, loosening up the braid because I did not want it to look really, really tight. So if you like the tight one, you can just leave it like that. But if not, you can just loosen it up a bit like I did. And I just liked how it looked. And we are done. It was as easy and simple as that. So beautiful. I love it. This is me. Anyway, I'm so happy and excited. Like, this style got to turn out how I wanted it to turn out because it's so cute. Just look at me. Ooh, ooh, so sexy. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for always tuning in to my channel. So as you saw earlier, I used one pack of the long Makeba braid, which is from Lush hair, and my styling gel was the Nice and Lovely styling gel, and it's amazing. And always make sure you straighten your hair before trying out a sleek look, a sleek ponytail look or a sleek look, and you're definitely good to go. Braid was 75 shillings and my styling gel was 180 shillings. It's quite small. I thought it was going to be bigger, but it's quite small. But anyway, it did the job like I wanted it to. So yeah. Because I wanted to show you guys how to get ready on a budget. So if you want me to do more hairstyles on short hair on a budget, let me know in the comment section, because I'm happy to do that. So expect more videos from me, guys. I'm literally slaying, guys. I am slaying and I look cute. You cannot tell me nothing. So yeah, that was the point, and I did get it, as you can see. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Why haven't you subscribed to my channel if you're new here? Why? Until my next video, guys. Bye. I really miss you. I can't wait to post my next one. So lots of kisses. Love you all.